everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at us, we're Halloween ready. Today we have a Josetty here.
Hi.
So we are going to do unboxing from Jeffree Star mystery box. We're going to unbox all 3 boxes, and at the end we are going to do a giveaway. So stay tuned. You're gonna love it. Oh, and how to create this look.
I put some Halloween colors.
I don't have a Halloween color.
That's me. You know me. I'm like.
This is so fun. So fun.
I'm excited. Thank you very much for bringing this.
Yes. So today we are. I ordered the Jeffree Star makeup, the mystery box. All 3 of them.
Of course you do. You're super extra.
We're gonna open the smaller one first, and all the way to the big one. So
Okay. Awesome.
There's so many boxes.
And then this is why I also tell my boyfriends like, so how much you're gonna spend on me, so I can like how much. So I feel like it's equal.
So when you first open this, look like that, and let's just see what's in there.
This one is how much was this one?
This is $40.
This is $40.
$40 comes with
So we got the cherry wet lipstick. Oh, this is a beautiful color. Look at this.
It's great for holiday too, though. The next one is the called the brown sugar. And then
look at the neon. Oh my god.
Oh, like little bullet.
I love neon.
Oh, this is totally your colors.
Yes. You know what? I'm like, sometimes I buy things for packaging. I don't even care if they're nice or not.
I think his package is very cute. Like especially
thing. Because this is like super trend, just to have it as collection.
You can put a little chain, and then you can just make it as a necklace.
That's smart.
Very smart, right?
Oh, so they come 3 lipsticks.
3 lipsticks.
We have another one here. This is Soul Sucker.
Soul Sucker.
And oh, this is pretty.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open all the boxes, and then we're gonna pick what will look good on each other. Oh, that's lipstick. Oh, that's gloss.
Yeah.
And then let's see what's the. They actually did a very nice job.
You see, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I enjoy all of that, like little details. I enjoy them. That's why whenever I do my makeup videos, I don't know if you noticed that I just don't do the makeup. I also do a little unboxing with it.
I like that they even put a bubble in here.
Yeah.
You see that? So that's a really damage the shadow.
To protect, yeah.
Mini breaker.
The mini jailbreaker.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Oh, it's really pretty.
It is. So cute. Look at, okay, these are the colors.
So $40, I think that's worth more than $40, right?
Yeah, we have to check the prices. Why don't you take some time and let me check real quick. So this one is $28.
Oh, that's already $28?
Yeah. And then the cherry wet is $18. So
oh, that alone is almost $40.
There we go. Yeah. How much it was the box again?
$40.
40? $40. Okay, this is, so you get 2 extra lipsticks.
That's good deal.
That's great. So worth it. I love it.
So now let's go to the $75 box. This box is so cute.
I know.
Oh my
god.
Real quick, when you first order this, they ask you what size you prefer. Yeah, so this box and the big box, you can pick sizes. It's a surprise. You don't know what you're gonna get.
So you get a shirt. Open it. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Okay, I'm excited.
Show them. Oh, this is really good deal.
Look, it looks nice. Okay. And there is something else in the back.
I think you want to.
You should wear this so we can match.
Okay.
Colors. Yeah.
Everyone hold please. Oh, like a little scoop boy.
Yeah, now we're matching. I have to feel it. Do you think it's the same palette?
I hope it's different palette.
You think that they saw because you ordered this? You're the same person that ordered. Oh, it's the same one.
It's the same one. Oh no.
For me.
I think it's the same one.
I think I'm gonna keep one.
Okay, let's see what else they have here.
Okay, so then you get the Skin Frost.
Oh, I saw this on social media already. It's really pretty.
I don't own anything Jeffree Star.
It is much more pretty in person than.
Oh my god! Look at this.
It's really nice highlight, bronzer, all kind of thing that you can do with that. So this one's a liquid frost. It's a heat wave.
We don't need to open it.
Base.
It was my fault that first one. Like, just so it's for giveaway. I did it on purpose so I can keep the stuff. Listen, you're not gonna keep things that are open.
Ah. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Hello.
Hello. Wait,
How do I
gotta,
open this?
We shove it.
Oh, so it's a dropper.
Oh, let me see this. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like if you're wearing a skirt like me when I wear my skirt.
So 2 different skin tones.
Yes.
Oh, this is pretty.
Then we got the gloss.
Wow, that thing is huge.
I know.
For the gloss.
Testing like how can I do?
Oh my god, so pretty.
I love it.
Did you ever watch a Japanese cartoon called Sailor Moon?
Yes.
This kind of like a Sailor Moon that she turned and then she swooped and she ta-da.
Maybe he did it like.
It's so
for the
pretty.
reason.
It's nice.
Then we have another two lipsticks. So
I
we
hope
know
it's
that
different color.
we know we have the bullet. So we know already that this is the
bullet.
bullet, which is beautiful. This is a different one.
Oh, yay!
How pretty.
This goes with this. That's why. I think. Yeah.
You think that they really handpicked it? Like, oh, we're gonna put this with this? I don't think so. Okay. And
Oh,
then
this
we
is
got,
different. Okay, that's pretty.
Yeah, this is like the regular gloss, but this is the neon edition.
Colors. That's totally you. Oh, I think I know what that is. Oh my god.
So I'm not. Bye. Goodbye. I'm not to anybody.
Stay focused.
Like, when I get something new, I'm like, oh my god.
It's the Halloween collection, I believe.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
You
so
don't?
cute.
I do. I have the pink one.
Oh, so you don't need this then. It's mine. Yay!
Yay! Because this is already 50. And then here you have like
90
here you have, so
already.
you kind of have like 70 here.
Around 70 here.
70. So you
You
get
get-
like three extra products.
No, 4.
And the shirt, yeah, no.
And the mirror, yeah.
5 extra products.
Yeah. Oh, that's a really good deal. It's heavy, this thing.
We like heavy.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
look at this. I love the packaging. My turn to open.
Okay, you open it.
See. Oh, we got another shirt. Oh my god. That's
It's
right.
it's a.
It's a tracksuit.
Oh my god.
It's a tracksuit. And
Okay,
it's
this
neon.
is so worth it.
Cool.
It's cute, huh?
We can get
And that's the pants.
Well, I always rather something fit me big than fit me
Small.
like too small, and then I can't fit in it. Okay.
Okay. Oh, not another one. You can keep
Look,
this
if
one.
this is the same one, then
It's
it's meant to be.
be.
It's meant to be. Okay. It's the same one.
Ah,
It's the same one.
it's yours.
Yes. Okay. This is yummy. So we get a lipstick,
Another lipstick, yes.
which is kind of like a
Mauve-y.
purplish Supreme Frost,
Oh,
which is almost like the other one. But I think it's a smaller version. I think so. Oh my god.
This is pretty.
Now you have to open it like this. You can't just
Okay,
like open like a
fine,
product like
fine.
that. You have to be like super like ta-da.
I'm gonna add special effect when you open it. Oh, say something in there too.
It says
Steve, you're the
Jeffree
best.
Jeffree Star Cosmetics.
It's very cute.
Here.
Straw.
A straw.
Yay.
And then this is the new color.
Yes.
The new Halloween color. And you got the
Lip
I think
scrub,
it's a
let me
scrub.
see.
I think so. This is the velour lip scrub.
I use his lip scrub. Tastes like candy.
Yeah, 2 more lipsticks.
Okay.
There's other colors. It's like a green and another like purple. And then you get a lip pencil. You wanna open this?
Yeah, open lip pencil. Okay. This is like calling you.
I
It
know.
really is you.
It is me.
It's definitely not me, but it's okay.
Oh my
Extension.
god!
What?
Oh, yes, it's
What
definitely
is
this
this?
box. These are the lipsticks.
I love that you just hold it to yourself.
Look.
Oh wow, it's pretty.
That's what I'm saying.
so
Like you get
cute.
all the
Question: when you count, do you count in?
in Spanish or English?
Uh-huh.
Depends.
I count in
Well,
Chinese
you
all
count
the
in
time. I
Chinese?
can't
Yeah.
count in English.
Well, if I'm by myself and I've been speaking Spanish to myself, or sometimes I'm cleaning around and I'm listening to Spanish music or watching something.
Oh my god, it's kind of like magnet.
It is magnet. Oh, that's super
Oh,
smart.
it's
This is
cute.
beside. So
Oh wait.
this, yeah. I mean, besides,
It feels like
yeah,
it.
it does. Besides, getting inside this, yes, it is definitely magnet. We got the his. I wonder if you can like Oh, there's music in this. This is a.
But how do you play that?
It's the same way. It's just the way that it's shaped.
But
the shape is the same.
But we don't have the machine to play that.
You don't have it at home?
I don't have that.
My fans are gonna be like, "What about Jesus, me? Girl?" It's like you just think about yourself.
No, she's not.
Listen, yes, I am. What do you rather? Love me for someone who I'm not? Like that? How is it? I'd rather you hate me for who I am than love me for someone that I'm not.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, I'm still gonna give away, but of course I get excited because there's certain things that I don't have.
I think this is the same colors.
I really hope so.
I really hope so too.
No, because if there's like somebody can.
Is it?
There's another mirror.
This is nice.
This is okay. This is at the end, okay? Yes. At the end.
So this one, let's look at the price. I pay $160.
$160. Okay.
Definitely, it's like 50% more value than what you pay. 50 to 60%.
Yes.
That's really cute stuff.
Yeah. So I just quickly did my eyebrows.
I just quickly doing nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
My mirror.
My mirror.
My mirror, wait.
The esper. Like what to wear, what to do.
Okay. I'm gonna use first this color.
What are you gonna do for Halloween?
Joker, of course. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, now that I'm done with the eyes and I just did my contour, what else? I put my concealer on and lashes. I'm going to, I decided that I think I'm going to use this Orange Crush as a highlighter. I mean, as a blush.
I think it'll be pretty.
You just have to be like very careful, I think. I'd rather go from little, what is it, from less
to more, yeah. Not more to less.
Yeah.
You can do more.
And you always try to start from here. Because if you start from here, it's harder to blend it, yeah.
How are you gonna win this box stuff?
So we're gonna be giving away 2 boxes. You're gonna win the big box and the medium box. We just grabbed a couple of things, but trust me, this box
You're gonna love it. A lot of stuff.
You're gonna get the 80% of what are in these boxes originally. 80%. That's a lot. That's basically the whole box. Yeah. So to win the big box,
you need to follow my YouTube channel and follow Josetty's YouTube. I'm going to put a link below.
Subscribe,
yes.
You have to subscribe to her YouTube channel.
And then what else? We're also going to show you exactly all the rules for the next slide. You're going to see all the details.
Yes, just check the comment below. And if you want to win the second one, which is the medium box, also you have to subscribe to both of our channels, and down below don't forget to check in the description box, in the description area, how are the exact rules.
Yes, and this box is going to be released on Josetty's YouTube channel, right?
Yes, the winner of this box is going to be on my YouTube channel, and the winner of the big box is going to be on his
my YouTube channel. Yes, great collaboration. It is really hard to give away stuff, honestly.
I know.
Especially if this one, I want to keep everything.
I like to keep everything. But it was so much fun. Thanks for having me again.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Follow all my social media right over here. And don't forget to follow Josetty's social media, Instagram, YouTube. And I will see you guys next week. I love you all. Bye.